Good morning, everybody. My name's Miriam Divine, and welcome to another one of my daily readings. As you can see, I have my Christ Consciousness deck here. I was told not to light my candles for some reason. I don't know. I also heard something about Holy Trinity, something, I don't know. Anyway, we're just going to draw some from the Christ Consciousness deck and see. I don't know what kind of messages, what kind of vibe. So let's kind of try to draw the vibe first. Okay. Okay. I heard stop and then the one right off the top. Okay. Just the one for the vibe. So let's see what the vibe of this reading is going to be. The Magician in reverse. Yesterday we got a lot of magic type of thing. That today is a day with a lot of magic stuff in it. This one is about letting go some of that magic, which I find kind of interesting. But so what does this have to do with letting go, or your magic is feeling stalled or something? Is that what it is? Stallation of magic? Yes, I heard a stallation of magic. Maybe letting go has something to do with that stallation. Let's see if we can get a little bit more. Okay. Let's see if we get a little bit more information on this. We have the reverse Emperor. You're trying way too hard with your magic. Magic just comes and flows. And we have the Six of Wands, which is talking just about it coming and flowing, right? And the Seven of Wands. Interesting, the 6 and 7. I see the goat here, and I'll remind, I'm right in the process of the Old Testament. And you know how many goats are sacrificed in the Old Testament, and pheasants are sacrificed in the Old Testament. But anyway, that has nothing to do with the reading. That's just me. Just blah. Okay, maybe it does have something to do with the reading. Yes, actually, sacrifices, not necessarily goats and pheasants, but sacrifices are part of your magic. Magic is not just about, it just comes, it just flows like, I don't know, like, you ever see The Good Witch where magic just kind of happens all day long? It takes effort. It's not just gonna happen because you want it to happen. There's effort in magic. However, as we see with the reverse Emperor, sometimes it's a balance, because this is trying way too hard with the Emperor. And this is definitely a let it flow kind of card here. And yet we know that it's not just gonna happen. It's like you have to set the stage and set the pieces, and then just let them go and let it flow and develop as it should. That's kind of how your magic needs to go. Any other information from the... I did hear a yes. One more. And I'm not sure why. Do we get this one more? What are you going to tell us about this magical thing? It's this one right here. The Hermit in reverse. So it's not just hide your magic. Magic is going to come out of you, and you don't have to hide it. It's going to be shared with everything. Okay, that's our message for today. Thank you, Christ Consciousness. I love you all. Bye.